Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect the handpieces into the dental chair unit. So the first thing is we have to see the connections. When we get the hoses, we're going to see that they have holes similar to the connections. So the only thing that we need to do is align the connections to the holes. However, this will be like this. The first thing that you gotta do is you gotta pull that out of the way. Once you pull this out of the way, you're going to align the small hole to the small holes and the big holes to the big holes. And once you have it in alignment, you're going to hold it. Now you're going to move this up so you can screw that in. So you're going to move that up and you're just going to screw that in. This one is for the high speed. Now let's look for the low speed. The same thing. You align the connectors to the holes, align them. This one you dropped it down, right? You're going to drop this down. You're going to align it and then you're going to move this up righty-tighty. To the right, righty-tighty. So this is the slow speed motor. And then of course you have the attachments. For the attachments, you just have to push it in. And that is it. Once that's there, that's it. To remove the attachments, if you want to use a different attachment for the low speed, you just take it out and put in the other one. And you hear the snap. And that's how you would connect them into the units.